Hey guys, it's me, Thriftasticmom. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to work on this drawer here that you see me pulling out. I'm actually doing a voiceover because I was washing and drying clothes this day. Had a lot of noise going on. But I wanted to tackle this drawer here because it's so full of stuff. And sometimes it's hard to pull in and out because things get hung. So I found this new thing at the thrift store. I thought I would just, rearrange things, put this new thing that I got in it, and just change it out. This brown thing here I'm pointing out is actually a mail holder that I have had in my drawer for a good while. But I kind of want to take that out and just change it up and put this new piece that I bought at the thrift store in it. I think I give like 50 cents or $1 for this piece here. It's just a little plastic tray, and I thought maybe if I put that in there it would work out better. That way I could get stuff lower in the drawer and it'll slide in and out better, and hopefully get it organized and make it look good and make things accessible to me. So here in this next clip we are going to get into taking all this stuff out. I'll show you what's in the drawer and go from there. So hope you enjoy. Okay guys, I'm taking out this piece here that's got all this stuff in it, and I am going to slip in my tray, and we will start going through this and trying to organize stuff and put things in here. The way I think it should go. I'll probably change it around a few different times till I get it where I like it. And I will be getting rid of some stuff out of this drawer that I really don't need. I'm just kind of going through and looking at seeing what I got. Here's a pack of candles, but I'm not going to throw them away because as soon as I throw them away, I'd probably need them, and then I'd have to go buy more, so I'm not going to get rid of them. I got random clips, a lid. That lid, I don't even know what it goes to anymore. And that black lid, that's actually a lid to a pot or a pan, which I do tend to collect in case I ever need them. But it's been a couple of years since I've had them, and I really haven't needed them. I am not sure what the brown lid's for, but all the rest of those go to pots and pans. Obviously, I got a collection of them, so I will be keeping them though, just because you never know when you're going to need a a lid for a pot and pan. Here's some random tape. Couple more clips, different junk. Some of the stuff I get rid of because I just don't need it. Here's some food coloring I've had for a while. I guess I'll keep it, but I don't know when I'm going to need food coloring again. But I guess I'll keep that. There's some slow cooker liners. Now I do use those in my crock pot pretty often, so I will be keeping those in my drawer. And here's some of the cloths that I have. Most of my cloths are in bad shape, so I will be getting rid of some of these and just keeping a few of the good ones because I'm actually going to order me some more on Amazon. Try to get me some new ones. Maybe some Pioneer Woman cloths would be good. That's just a random bag of straws, but I always like to keep straws because sometimes people come over and want straws. And you see here I'm just trying to stick stuff wherever. I put it in the back there. I figure that'll be a good spot for the straws because I don't use them that often. This is my chopper. I always keep this because this thing cuts up veggies really good. So I'm going to stick this in here for now, but I think I end up putting this down in my bottom drawer with my other plastic bowls, because I have plastic bowls in that bottom drawer under this one, and it's pretty organized down there, so I don't really need to go through it. But I think I end up putting that in that bottom drawer. That was a box. That was a box of clear bags, but I think it was empty. And I have some in my stockpile in there, but I go in there and get me a new box to put in it. Obviously, I bumped the camera there. So now you just see I'm trying to decide where to put things, just kind of moving things around. Now I'm putting in these big old trash bags. I think this is why I ended up taking out my chopper, because I remembered I needed to put these big old trash bags in there, and the chopper's kind of in the way. Yep, there goes the chopper. That don't work out either. That's why I end up taking the chopper out. But I tried several different things before I got it to where I wanted it. I always buy these big rolls of trash bags, so they do take up a lot of space, but I can get 2 packs laying in there, and that was a little piece of one. And they take up a lot of the space, but it works. Now that's just an apron. I got 2 aprons. I got that apron, and then I got a solid black one here. And I use them from time to time. I don't use them all the time, but I'll leave those in the drawer too, just so I can grab them when I need them. If I got on a nice shirt or something that I don't want to get anything on, I'll throw that over my shirt and keep those just to protect it, you know. Here I am again talking about this chopper. What we gonna do with the chopper? So yeah, it goes up on the counter because I done decided it's going somewhere else. So here I am just trying to fold up my decent rags and see if they'll fit in this little slot here. And I think I had 2 or 3 rags in the dirty clothes that I needed to wash too, that also went in here when I got those done. But I'm just folding up my little towels here and sticking them in. This towel here I want to keep because this was actually a gift from some of my kids in a little gift bag with some other stuff, so I made sure I wanted to keep this. As you can see, I did put my hand towels in the corner there and took them out of that little slot, so now I'm just trying to move things around and get things put exactly where I want it. And I put my 2 aprons there. And this rag here, y'all, I'm going to throw it away because look at it. It's got bleach spots all over it. So it really needs to go in the trash. I'm putting koozies here. These belong to my husband. They were given to him, but he don't really use them. But I'll just leave those laying in there too. And I think I'm pretty much happy with this. A big thumbs up, right? I finally got it done after all that. This is my top drawer. I just decided to go through it real quick and just move some things around. Maybe take out a couple little things like those extra straws. But this stuff just kind of gets through in there as I use it. And I kind of need to lay it and organize it in ways that everything lays good and it's not sticking up, so my drawer won't, get stuck and not come out for me. So I'm just going to move this stuff around and try to lay it the best that I can so that it lays flat and everything, lays in there real good. I decided to throw away these measuring spoons here because I got some more measuring spoons now. So I just redonate that stuff. And man, do I have plenty of those. Those clean my chopper blades. These are some spoons that I have used on my hot cocoa bars at Christmas time. I just use them for little stir spoons. There's some cupcake holders that I don't even need because I rarely bake cupcakes. Those are some markers I usually keep in my drawer just to have something to mark my meat with whenever I break my meat down and put it in my freezer, so I'll know exactly what I got, you know, chicken, hamburger meat, and all that good stuff. So I always keep markers in my drawer for that, which I don't need 3 probably. I need just 1 marker in there. So many gadgets to use. So now I'm just going to speed this up and I'll show you how it looks when I get it all organized. Okay guys, I am pretty much about done. So this is just the pretty much the final look of my drawer here, just tidying up a few little extra things. But this is pretty much it, and I think this will work a little bit better for me. Okay guys, up here on the counter is just some things I decided to get rid of out of that drawer. I will keep the fish scaler and the markers, but everything else I'm just going to redonate. So that concludes the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some kind of motivation and inspiration to get in there and clean out your cabinets or whatever in your kitchen. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video or not. Maybe I'll do some more. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified when I do upload all my new videos. So I hope you enjoyed it. God bless. Y'all have a good one. Bye.